Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install TeXmacs under Linux. I will use the AppImage for this since from my experience it works better than the distro packages. First, go to the TeXmacs website, scroll down and click on the link GNU Linux. Here you will see the specific distro packages for different Linux distributions, but for us, the AppImage is the one that works best, following my experience. Click on the link and download it to a folder on your computer. In order to run an AppImage, you'll need to make it executable. So copy the command below the link with Ctrl+C. Navigate to the folder where you saved the AppImage and paste the command that you just copied with Ctrl+Shift+V. Then press Enter. You can now try to execute the AppImage. However, on my system, it failed with the following error message. This is apparently a known bug, and I was able to find a solution in the TeXmacs forum, which is setting an environment variable. We'll put the command on the pinned comment, and you can just paste it with Ctrl+Shift+V. When you try to run the AppImage now, it should open a window and do the startup process. You can now see the welcome screen of TeXmacs, and the program is fully usable now. Personally, I prefer dark mode, and I also prefer icons that are a little bit less distracting. So we will still set that up. But before that, we will generate a desktop file so that we can always launch our program by just typing TeXmacs in the launcher. The thing that we are still missing is an icon for our launcher. So I just took the icon from the Papyrus project. I will also put a link for that on the pinned comment. We'll now create a desktop file. Head to your home directory, .local, share, applications, and type nano texmacs.desktop. This will open a new file in the nano text editor. I will put a template for the desktop file on the pinned comment. You can paste it with Ctrl+Shift+V. We will still need to customize this a little bit. Go to the line starting with exec and head to the right. Replace the /home/uuse, etc. with the path to your AppImage. Then put the path to the icon that you just saved in the next line. You can now save the .desktop file by typing Ctrl+O, hitting Enter, and then typing Ctrl+X. This will leave the nano editor. We will force a refresh of the desktop files by typing xdg desktop new force update. I'll also have this on the comment. You can now try it out by opening your launcher and typing TeXmacs and opening the program. And congrats! That is all that you need in order to get TeXmacs running well under Linux. Personally, I prefer my programs to be in dark mode. If that applies to you as well, you can go to Edit Preferences and set it to dark mode there. To get the modern icons, click on the GitHub link in the description, then go to Code and copy the HTTPS link. Open the terminal in the Downloads folder and then type git clone and paste the link that you just copied with Ctrl+Shift+V. This will download the entire GitHub project, so do note that this may take a while. After this has been downloaded, change directory to tmforge, miscellanea, postmodern icons, and then postmodern. This is where all of the icons are located. We'll need to copy all of these icons into the TeXmacs folder in the TeXmacs home directory. you can just copy the free commands that I'll have in the pinned comment as well. In order to force TeXmacs to refresh, we'll delete the TeXmacs cache. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your documents. It will just force TeXmacs to reload the files. Restart TeXmacs, and if everything went well, then congrats. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped. If you have any suggestions or questions, please don't hesitate to post them in the comments, and I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible.